have already seen. Now let us see the partial clearing. Now, before going to understand about the partial clearing, I just want to remind one more thing. What are the features are there in partial clearing? As I have explained in the last session, then so the total payable amount, let us assume 5 lakhs rupees. I will change here the amount. Okay, so let it be this one. We'll copy this one. Then I'll explain once again in detail here. Okay. Now, let us think about scenario. There is a open item, which is a 1 lakh rupees is a open state. From this 1 lakh, then what I have done, I made a payment 80,000 rupees. Remember carefully, this is the interview question. That is the reason I am explaining once again. Then out of that, we made a payment 80,000 rupees. Then what would be my remaining outstanding amount would be 20,000 rupees would be my outstanding amount. Then this is the scenario, everybody aware of this one. But now, while coming to the partial clearing process, what system does is a system will not clear the original line item. I would say it is a on account posting. System directly post to the customer, vendor, or it's a GL account directly the amount which we are making the payment. Okay, I will do the changes here. This is the 1 lakh rupees. This is the 80,000 rupees. The remaining amount would be at 20,000. Then what system will do here? This will not. Okay, then if this is the document which was posted for open item, means that this was the invoice item. Then I'll put it here for our understanding. Invoice document. Invoice document. Then this is the clearing document. Okay, so what system does is a invoice document does not clear at any chance. The 80,000 what system will do, 80,000 for 80,000 for clearing document, system will post a document, then it will be directly hit to the GL account or vendor or customer account. So means it's a on account posting. On account postings. So on account, when I say the on account, the terminology, I mean the system does not know which line item need to offset with this line item. Okay, then the business need to take a decision for which on behalf of which line item we need to reset. But anyhow, while clearing the document, we must have to mention that one. Okay, against which line item we are clearing. Then the outstanding amount would be a 20,000 rupees. Okay, what will happen here? This document will be open state. Open state. This document also it will be in open state. Then here you can think here. Now this document also it is in open state. Okay, still if we can go and see in the system, this is also in open state. This is also in open state. Then if we can go back and see in the system, we will get confused. Okay, now okay, one or two documents that would be fine. Definitely we will do some we will find. Okay, for what reason the two documents are in open state. Okay, the 20,000 rupees it is in still yet to clear. If I have a thousands of documents, let us assume what users need to but there is a criteria to identify the clearing document. That clearing document has been posted with which document. Okay, there is a criteria. We can go and we can see. But now, again, that will be the task for the business. Okay, the business users has to go, then they have to find out which document has been posted for this invoice. That is the reason. Then most are the recommendable. Okay, I'll put it here. The recommended option would be residual item, residual clearing process. Okay, so now partial clearing will not be the, and okay, now we are talking about, right? Okay, residual clearing process, then the partial clearing process will not be the, sorry, recommended for business to clear the line items. Remember, this is the important question for your interview also. Let's get see in the system how we are going to clear this one. Let me post the invoice F-02. Still we are in GL only. Okay, so the open item clearing process, as I said, it will be applicable for your customers, vendors, and GL also. Okay, first, let me post this one. Okay, so rent account 1 lakh rupees. What I have taken an example. Rent provision. Then outstanding account. I'll take this one. Then go here. Simulate it. Now I am posting the document. The document which has been posted. Okay, 009. Let me go to FB03 transaction code and display the document here. Now you can see here the document which is displayed here. Okay, slash n. Okay, FBL3N. I'll go to the line item display. Okay, now 1 lakh rupees, which is in open state. Now I'm opening another screen. Now I'm going for the clearing. Okay, how can I clear the transaction code F-07, which I can use to clear the GL line item? Okay, if you go by the path, okay, it will be available. Then to which bank account you are posting, then amount, if we know, fine. Otherwise, if it doesn't know, give the 1 rupee. Okay, 80,000 rupees, which I want to make. Then value date to be mandatory here since it is a bank transaction. Then rent payable. The rent payment. Then what is the open item? This is the GL account which the line item is having the 1 lakh rupees, which is having this. This is the GL account it is having. Okay, just click on this one. Now 1 lakh rupees. You can see here 80,000 rupees, which the amount I have entered during the clearing. But this is the original invoice amount 1 lakh rupees. Then 20,000 difference it is there because now I have entered is a 80,000, but the amount is at 1 lakh rupees, the invoice which is having. But now the 20,000 rupees difference it is there. But here I'm not following the standard process, standard clearing process. I want to clear the line item by partial payment clearing option. Then click on this one. Here, I want to adjust that amount. Okay, just keep the cursor here on red highlighted line. Okay, here keep the cursor, then double click it. See now the payment amount, it has been adjusted by the system. Now come back, come down and see the at the bottom amount entered is 80,000, assigned amount is 80,000. So here what system is telling us, we are paying amount is 80,000, then the now we have adjusted the okay the assigned amount also in the document level 80,000. Now remember, still I'm following the process is a partial payment option. Go to document, simulate it. Now we can see here. Okay, see now here my bank account is crediting, outstanding account is debiting here. Let me post this document. The document 15001 has been posted in the system. Now come back and display here. Okay, as per our understanding, the system should not clear this line item in the partial clearing. Then it will get added one more additional line item. Okay, so without clearing the original invoice. Then let's see list, refresh it. Now you can see here, as I mentioned in the during the explanation, this document it is in open state. Now I will take the two original documents from here. Then I'll put it in the Excel sheet so that it will be easy for us to understand now. Then this is the document, what it is there in this place. Then now this is the document, what it is there in place of this one. Let me do. Okay, now it is clear. Now you can see here, both the documents are in open state, even though the outstanding amount 20,000 rupees. Okay, now you can see here, if this is the situation, then I have a thousands of line items. Then what user need to do? User need to come back again. They need to do the analysis. Okay, they need to spend some more time. Okay, to find out the document, what is the original invoice amount, what the document, what is the clearing document has been posted against that invoice. This is what the part. So now the residual clearing also, I'll take the amount, same amount only, 1 lakh rupees. The clearing amount I'll change here, 70,000. Remaining outstanding amount would be 30,000 rupees. Then what system does in residual clearing process? The system will clear the original line item and it will post the new document for incoming amount. Okay. Then, so in this case, what will happen? This document, okay, the original invoice document will be invoice document. The clearing document. Okay. This will be both. So this will be cleared. Okay. So now what will happen here? This will be cleared. Okay. So then there will not have any on account posting. cleared this document. Then only open state. Okay, this document will be in open state. Okay, then let's see that how the scenario, okay, how it will work in the system. Let me go and post the document f-02. I'll take the new one. Then here the rent payable account which I have taken here. Of salaries, okay. Salaries provision. Okay. Then outstanding account. Simulate here. Then post the document. Okay, document 10010 which has been posted here. Let me go and refresh here. Select the all items. Okay, I want to see all items. Now see. Okay, this is the something different. Okay, this is a rent payable. This is the provision what we made. Reversal out document. Just consider this one. Now this is the document what we have posted. Now let's see. Now I'm performing the residual clearing now. Let's see how system will act. Go to transaction code F-07. Give the date. Bank account. From which bank account we are making the payment. Okay. Let me see the amount 70,000 rupees. Give the value date. Then salaries provision. Then give the outstanding open item account. Then click on the process open item. Now you can see the which I have given. I want to pay 70,000 rupees, but still the invoice is a 1 lakh rupees. The difference between both invoice and payment amount would be 30,000 rupees. Now I want to adjust this amount. Okay, now come to the residual item here. Click on this one. Okay, now you can see here net amount residual items here. Okay, just keep the cursor here. Then, sorry, I want to activate this one. Then double click here. Just keep it cursor here and double click it. What is the remaining amount you have taken is a okay Singapore dollars. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, now system is popping up. Okay, now it has been adjusted. Okay, just ignore this one. For time being, I have maintained this difference account. This has to go to this one. Okay, now see, now this is the 70,000 rupees which I am making payment, 70,000 SGD. Then the 30,000 rupees still it is outstanding. Then this 1 lakh rupees also. This is also the system. Okay, it's a treating up for this one. System is showing the okay all three line items in one document level. Okay, then let me post this one. Now the document has been posted. Okay, 15003 here the document. I'm coming back. Now let me refresh here. What will happen? List, refresh. See now just remember 1 lakh is our invoice amount. Refresh. Now you can see here the 1 lakh rupees, it has been cleared by the system automatically. See now, this is what I was telling. Only now one document we can able to see here. What system did here? The 1 lakh rupees, the amount has been cleared. Okay. The amount has been cleared by the system. Original invoice has been cleared and it has posted a new document. Only one document which is there in open state. Okay, so now if I want to clear the line item, the 30,000 rupees, the remaining outstanding amount will be easy while clearing, even while generating the reports also, it will be easy business users to understand. This is the only line item which is in open state. Then yet to make the payment. That could be the reason the suggestible option would be a residual clearing option. This is what we have expected. The same thing we have posted. If I go inside of this document, you can see here all the line items. Okay, so now this is the invoice amount. This is your paid, I mean paid amount. This is still the remaining outstanding amount which you need to make the payment. But now the reporting perspective, this will be the clear and clear, okay, to business. Okay, if they will come back and see, okay, this is the only line item which is pending is to make the payment. Remember, okay. Now, is it clear? The residual clearing option. This is what I want to show the in practical. Okay.